2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition salutes unprecedented run as North America's apex predator of the truck world. 2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition offers new, unique exterior colors and premium content to mark the conclusion of TRX production. Production of current generation Ram 1500 TRX, powered by the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi-registered V8 engine, concludes at the end of 2023. Ram's 2024 model year production limited to up to 4,000 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition models worldwide in addition to non-final edition models. Ram TRX cemented Ram truck as North America's off-road truck leader when it debuted in 2020 as a 2021 model. Engineered to handle the most punishing conditions with extreme capability and durability, Ram TRX significantly outperforms every other truck. Ram today announced the 2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition as a proper send-off for the apex predator of the truck world. Ram TRX production will conclude at the end of 2023. The Ram TRX cemented Ram truck as North America's off-road truck leader when it debuted in 2020 as a 2021 model, setting new benchmarks for power and performance among half-ton pickup trucks with the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi-registered V8 engine. The introduction of the Ram 1500 TRX ushered in a significant shift in off-road performance trucks with a halo effect that will last for years to come, said Tim Kuniskis, Ram brand CEO, Stellantis. This current chapter in Ram's high-performance trucks is coming to a close, but it's not the end of TRX's story. While we'll have more news to come at a later date, we're proud to offer our loyal performance enthusiasts the very special TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition. The apex predator of the truck world is rated at 702 horsepower and 650 pound-foot of torque with the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine, powering the Ram TRX to a top speed of 118 miles per hour. Combined with a high-torque capacity TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission, Ram TRX launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds with a quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 108 miles per hour. Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition. The 2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition offers high-performance truck buyers one last chance to own a piece of automotive history. Available in 8 exterior colors, including 3 new and unique ones, Delmonico Red, Night Edge Blue and Harvest Sunrise, the Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition allows for even greater personalization and features a unique combination of technology, graphics, performance, and exterior appearance straight from the factory. The 2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition offers highly exclusive content, including satin titanium beadlock-capable wheels with a matching 6.2-liter hood badge and bed decal. Inside, the exclusive content includes patina stitching on the dashboard, seats, and an embroidered TRX seat back logo. A TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition cluster splash screen, ultra-premium center console badge showcasing the build number, passenger side TRX dashboard badge in satin titanium finish and triaxial suede door panel inserts are also included. The interior also includes 4x4 weave matte carbon fiber on the instrument panel, doors, console and steering wheel. Additional standard equipment includes a 19-speaker Harman Kardon premium sound system, head-up display, digital rear-view mirror and 8-way power driver and passenger seats. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pedestrian emergency braking blind spot and cross-path detection and park sense front and rear park assist with stop. The 2024 Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L supercharged V8, final edition offers the proven and reliable high-performance 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine, delivering top output for extended driving sessions without degradation in performance. Rated at 702 horsepower and 650 pound-foot of torque, the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine powers the Ram TRX to a top speed of 118 miles per hour. Combined with a high torque capacity TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission, the Ram TRX delivers an enhanced level of performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 108 miles per hour. The Ram 1500 TRX 6.2L Supercharged V8, Final Edition is available at a starting price of $117,625 plus $1,995 destination and will be available starting in the fourth quarter of 2023. Ram Truck Brand. In 2009, the Ram Truck brand launched as a standalone division, focused on meeting the demands of truck buyers and delivering benchmark quality vehicles. With a full lineup of trucks, the Ram 1500, 2500/3500 heavy duty, 3500/4500/5500 chassis cab and ProMaster, the Ram brand builds trucks that get the hard work done and families where they need to go. Ram continues to outperform the competition and sets the benchmarks for 1,075 pound-foot of torque with Cummins turbo diesel. Towing capacity of 37,090 pounds with Ram 3500. Segment first 1,000 pound-foot of torque with Cummins turbo diesel. Payload of 7,680 pounds with Ram 3500. Most luxurious, Ram Limited with real wood, real leather, and 12-inch Yukon neck touchscreen. Best ride and handling with exclusive link coil rear and auto-level air suspensions. Most interior space with Ram Megacab. The most cargo space available in any traditional full-size cargo van. Most capable full-size off-road pickup, Ram Power Wagon. Ram 1500 TRX is the quickest, fastest, and most powerful mass-produced pickup truck in the world. Most awarded light-duty truck in America. Highest owner loyalty of any half-ton pickup. The latest J.D. Power Appeal study, which rates the emotional bond between customers and their vehicles, named the 2022 Ram 1500 as the best vehicle in the large light-duty pickup category. This marks the third straight year Ram 1500 has received top honors. The Ram 1500 lineup includes the Know and Go mobile app featuring an immersive experience for customers who want to learn more about their vehicles.